Hi, I'm Devon and welcome to Safeclean-Walkingtv. Thank you for dropping by. So I've been a professional carpet and upholstery cleaner for 26 years. It's been that long, 26 years. On this channel I'll be posting videos on the cleaning of carpets, rugs, upholstery, hard flooring, car interior, mattress and curtains, etc. You get the drift. These jobs will take place in the most affluent of areas, also rental properties, offices and pubs, etc. I will be publishing a new video every week, and when possible I will post 2 videos. So you'll be able to see how we clean, how we engage with our clients, why we keep our clients, and why we're able to clean for some of the wealthiest individuals in the country, including members of the royal family, MPs, actors, footballers, just to name a few. So if you happen to be new around here, please consider subscribing and hitting the notification bell.